If you want to stop your children from using certain applications in iPhone, then what you do, go to settings here, go to this option screen time, select turn on screen time, select continue, select the option this is my iPhone. Now go to this option use screen time passcode, enter the passcode. So this is a passcode which you will set, re-enter again. Now if you think that you will forget your screen time passcode later on, you can enter your Apple ID so that you can reset it if you will forget the screen time passcode. For me, I won't forget, so I will select cancel and then skip. After that, what you do, go to this option content and privacy restrictions, go to allowed apps, use the screen time passcode. Now here there are certain applications, and if you don't want your children to use these applications, like for example Safari, you can disable it. So once you disable this option, what happens, the app will be no longer available to use. So this is one method. But if you see here, there are not all the applications listed here, like YouTube is not there. Now if you want to disable all the applications that you have installed, go to this option content restriction again, go to apps and select this option don't allow apps. So once you do it, the applications that you have installed, it won't be available for use. But if you want to disable only certain applications like YouTube or Facebook, but not all the applications, then in that case what you can do is you can set a time limit for the application. So for that one, we will again come to this screen time and then we will go to app limits. We have to go to this option add limit, and then you have to select that app which you want to disable. For example, I want to disable YouTube for my children, so I have to go to entertainment section, select YouTube and then next. So once I do, I have to set the time limit until which my children can use the app. So you can select the time limit such as 1 minute, so this will be the shortest duration that we can set, and then add. So it will appear here, so your children will be able to use YouTube for 1 minute every day, and once they have finished 1 minute time limit, the application will be logged and it can be used only when you enter the screen time passcode. So these are different methods to disable or lock apps in your iPhone for your children. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.